Hello, it's me again, and I'm here to tell you that sometimes size does matter. Y'all seen my little bitty mini incubator cooler there? Now this guy's got it going on. Look at here. Got his turners in there. Look at his humidifier there. Keeping that thing just perfect. And we got proof that it works here. We got some coming out to hatch right now. That needs a little bit more humidity.
Yeah, I got that up so.
Yeah. See there, them's ours Barred Rock chickens. No, they ain't. Oh, that's Barred Rock. He's got some of them Cuckoo Morans right there.
And Cornix quail right there.
And Cornix quail right there. And there's a little bitty
It's a
bobwhite quail egg. So, y'all want you one of these things.
There's the controllers and the humidity controller.
There's humidity controller. You can get all this stuff on eBay. And if you want to know how to do all this, just watch the Uncle Goat show and we might show you when my refrigerator breaks down. And he put him in a good glass thing. Need to get some of them tiles I've got and silicone them around through there. Sort of decorate a little.
Yeah.
Can look cool. Well, there's one lonely baby right there.